Get my feet.
Stop.
Stop.
Say YouTube.
No, stop. Let me get you, Lauren.
Hell no. You're gonna love you too.
And you. And you. And you. And y'all gonna love me. Lauren, you gonna love me.
Bro, capture.
Yeah. He would have dropped that camera or whatever.
We would have fighting. We would never been cool again. This is a $200 camera, girl. You best
Lauren, turn it off.
Where my mama at?
Lauren, turn it off.
Alright, it's off.
No, it's still on.
Record me and Dominique fight.
Go, fight. Round one. Oh, they dropped their stuff.
You're not one for me, girl. You're not one for me.
Show one.
Oh, girl, you just did it? No.
Y'all got issues.
The head.
Here comes Miss Roachy. You hit my gold feet.
Miss Roachy.
Are you serious? Forget him.
Ho, ho, ho.
Make up a story.
Issues.
Get out.
Okay, get the camera off the ground. What are you guys doing?
No.
Other sister.
No. 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 Stop.
Alright, hammer time. Hammer time.
Sure, but I think I saw a charger.
Yep.
You look like a monkey. You're recording us. Ladies, ladies, ladies.
I'm not a lady.
Pronouns, aren't we?
Not today.
Why you leave us? You with the freshmen now. Well,
Interview.
I didn't even notice until I saw your name wasn't on the board. I know, it's hard to see my girl down here. Well, we gotta work with those freshmen. You're working with the freshmen. Why shouldn't I?
I'm not.
That's what I have to live with. Well, you bet. Bye, Miss Russian. Stop! And you, y'all gonna love me.
No.
No.
Hi, John.
I'm living without. I'm not living without.
You gonna put that on Fresno's finest. You gonna put that on MySpace.
That's on YouTube right there.
Nicole, do something.
Soldier
Stop.
Go.
Let's hit that Soldier Boy. Ready?
Code.
Soldier